for them. And that's all I have to dazzle the world.
Right.
Now, the thing about magic that happens close to your face is that it has to be performed exquisitely. I can't pronounce that word correctly, but...
Oh.
Excuse me.
Just puffed up hard.
But honestly, I
Whoa.
just do not like card tricks because...
That's amazing.
But
Where are you coming from?
I have a beautiful 6-year-old son, and I want to do something to you, Miss Mel B,
Oh, wow.
that my little boy likes. Can I see your hand? The other side. Thank you. Oh, perfect. I'm going to take this ball, put it right about here. I want you to hold that ball real tight for me. Thank you. With that ball there and that ball there, we're going to go abracadabra. Open up your hand.
Shut up! Shut up!
Let me mentally assault you two on the other hands. Because I am ghetto.
Whoa. Wow. He's good. Oh, he's good.
That's good.
Whoa. Pretty cool.
Thank you. Not my name, though. That is the name.
Whoa.
Wowza.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Woo. Smoothie.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
We didn't know what to expect, but he brought it.